Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Chunky pressure soup. From the pressure cooker, of course. We're gonna use some cauliflower, a white onion, 1 potato, celery, a carrot, leek, and wash the leek, okay? Some herbs, and some broccoli. Also we're gonna use some green beans, some beef stock, and we're also gonna use some beef balls. And they're really small, and I think it's gonna work well. Now let's prep our veggies. And there you have it, all the veggies are prepped. And let's put this aside, all those delicious veggies. And we're gonna start searing our little meatballs. Put in some good olive oil. And then our meatballs. I put the pressure cooker on saute mode. And I'm gonna sear those balls for about 5 minutes. And when they're done, we're gonna add in all of our pre-cut veggies. There you go, that's all. Now I'm gonna put in the beef stock and we're gonna crumble it, make it chunky. Then we're gonna pour in about 1.5 liters of water. But first we're gonna give it a good mixing. Now close the lid, check the pressure valve, yep, it's okay. Now put it on pressure cook and we're gonna pressure cook it for about 12 minutes. That should be enough. Now release the steam, release the pressure. And this could take some while. Now have a look inside. Ooh, that's steamy. But hey, look at that. A beautiful chunky pressure soup. And I know it's gonna taste amazing. Let's plate. And I chose this beautiful bowl. But you can use whatever you want. I'm gonna put in 2 scoops of veggies and meatballs, and then 1 large scoop of beef broth. Or is it chunky pressure soup broth? I don't know, but it smells amazing. Grab your favorite spoon, and I also made some garlic cheese bread. That's super delicious. Now, this soup is ready, I'm hungry, let's eat. Oh no, and then I remembered, I forgot an ingredient, the vermicelli. But hey, it's a delicious soup anyway. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my pressure cooker soup. If you're new, I hope you subscribe to my channel. And if you're already a friend of the channel, give it a like and leave me a comment. I really like reading all your comments. And as always, see you next time.